HROne is an all in one human resources management solution designed to simplify and streamline HR processes for businesses of all sizes, from automating payroll and attendance to enhancing employee engagement and recruitment. HR1 offers an intuitive platform packed with features tailored to meet the diverse needs of modern organizations. In today's fast paced corporate environment, effective HR management is critical to maintaining productivity and employee satisfaction. HR1 empowers HR teams by automating mundane tasks, providing powerful analytics, and creating an environment that fosters collaboration and efficiency. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, HR1 adapts to your requirements with a flexible and user friendly interface. In this tutorial, we'll explore the essential features of HR1, dive into how it can transform HR processes, and help you understand why it's a valuable tool for any business looking to improve its HR operations. So, for its key features, first is the automated payroll processing. HR1 simplifies payroll by automating calculations, deductions, and compliance with tax regulations. It supports diverse salary structures and generates error free payslips. This reduces manual errors and saves time, ensuring employees are paid accurately and on time. Another key feature is the attendance and leave management. The platform offers robust tools to track attendance, manage shifts, and streamline leave applications, all integrated with biometric devices and mobile apps. This improves accuracy in time tracking, reduces manual paperwork, and ensures policy compliance. Another key feature is the recruitment and onboarding. HR1 accelerates the hiring process with applicant tracking, automated interview scheduling, and digital onboarding. It provides a seamless experience for new hires. This speeds up recruitment, enhances candidate experience, and reduces administrative workload for HR teams. Another key feature is the performance management. The system includes tools for setting goals, conducting performance reviews, and providing feedback, helping managers and employees align with organizational objectives. This encourages continuous improvement, boosts employee morale, and supports data driven decision making. Another key feature is their employee self service portal. Employees can access payslips, apply for leaves, and update personal information through an intuitive self service portal or mobile app. This empowers employees with greater transparency and reduces HR workload by enabling self service functionalities. Another key feature is the analytics and reporting. HR1 provides in depth analytics and customizable reports on key HR metrics such as turnover, attendance, and employee satisfaction. This enables data driven insights, helping HR teams make strategic decisions to improve efficiency and engagement. Another key feature is the employee engagement tools. The platform offers features like surveys, polls, and feedback tools to enhance employee engagement and gather actionable insights. This strengthens workplace culture, improves employee satisfaction, and promotes open communication. So, why is HROne a great choice? HROne stands out as a versatile and user friendly HR solution that addresses the core challenges faced by HR teams. Its ability to automate complex tasks, integrate seamlessly with existing systems, and provide real time insights makes it a preferred choice for businesses aiming to modernize their HR operations. Unlike traditional HR tools, HROne combines functionality with simplicity, ensuring that even non technical users can navigate the platform effortlessly. Additionally, its mobile app allows employees and managers to stay connected and productive regardless of their location. With robust security features and compliance tools, HROne ensures data privacy and helps businesses stay aligned with regulatory standards. So basically, HR1 is more than just an HR management tool. It's a comprehensive solution designed to empower businesses by streamlining HR processes, enhancing employee engagement, and driving operational efficiency. Its wide range of features, from payroll automation to performance tracking, makes it an indispensable tool for any organization looking to thrive in today's competitive landscape. By investing in HR1, businesses not only save time and reduce costs, but also create an environment where employees feel valued and supported. So, whether you're a small business looking to simplify HR tasks or a large corporation aiming to scale HR operations, HR1 provides the flexibility, scalability, and efficiency needed to meet your goals. So if you need more information about HR1, you can always go to their websites. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned. And from here, you can also see the pricing for their plans. As you can see, you can always compare the features available for the plans to make sure that your business has everything you need. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.